Hello, this video is made by Coronasafe. Let's look at the dashboard part. Please type in dashboard.coronasafe.network. Please use your credentials, username and password and login. Once you're logged in, you would be able to see that it's a district dashboard of an Ernakulam district right now, but you would be able to select the district of your choice right here using this drop down. There are two options to view this. There is a day mode and a night mode. This is the night mode right now. And if you click the same button, you'll be taken to day mode. Now the data fed into the system can be viewed in terms of capacity, patients, tests, and COVID. And there are about 101 facilities updated to the software. And the overall oxygen capacity is this much. And you'll be able to look at forecasts, which we'll talk about later. But coming back to facility type, all of the facilities are selected now. And let's take a look at one particular type. So I'm clearing all the facilities and taking only first line treatment centers. Now after filtering, you can see that the facility count is mentioned here. Oxygen capacity of the entire FLTCs is mentioned here. Now, looking at the data, the beds used is, the percentage of the beds used is mentioned here, 44%. It is 1% less compared to previous dates data. The total and the used count is mentioned here. Similarly, rooms, the total percentage is 4% less than previous dates data. Similarly, we have the total and the used numbers there. Now, I'm just dragging down to look at the other facilities. Now, only the FLTCs will be marked here as we are looking only at the FLTCs. So, if you look at Coronasafe FLTC, it was updated 14 hours ago, and you could say that there are 41 beds which are occupied out of 134 beds available. Similarly, such data can be viewed here. So here, if you look at Newell's FLTC rooms, there are 44 rooms out of total 55, and 132 beds are occupied out of 165 rooms. So such data can be viewed here. And if you look at the forecast, forecast for the next 14 days can be viewed right here. And the trend for past 14 days is also mentioned here. The average, there is no minimum whatsoever. There is this maximum. So the trend for rooms and trend for beds is pretty much available here. The average, minimum and maximum is available here. So yeah, this data could be useful. Now going back, we are still looking at the capacity. Now I am selecting the entire capacity. So now we have for the entire capacity, for the entire facilities, which is like 101, the total beds used is 36%, which is 1% higher than the previous date. One percentage lesser than previous date. This is 1% higher than previous date. So anyway, going down, let's look at the map. So this is a typical map of the district. Now here green shows full, empty is shown by red and gray shows none. So let's look at a typical facility. This is, I'm pointing at a typical facility. This is the Green Hospital. So here you can see the oxygen total capacity, uh, beds used, rooms, ICU and ventilator all at once, every data, the percentage usage, the total count, the used count, everything is pretty much available here. So like that, if you maneuver through the map, you will be able to see each hospital where they are in terms of their capacity. I'm going up. So this is how you would be able to look at the capacity from the dashboard. Now, similarly, you can view the data of patient also. So now, as you can see, this is actually a single date's data. In home quarantine, there are 1,372 people, and yesterday alone, 61 people were advised to go to home quarantine. Similarly, in isolation, 114.49 is the count. Yesterday alone, plus 98 were put into isolation. Similarly, for ICU, we have the numbers here. Ventilators also, we have the numbers here. Now, as you can see, you can search for the facility of your choice here in order to see the data of that particular facility. It is pretty much available here. Like who were advised for home quarantine overall, and how many were advised for home quarantine in the previous day is mentioned here. Isolation, ICU, ventilator, data, it depends on everything will be mentioned. So in CL, it will be in CL, 8 hours ago, the data was updated. 4 people were advised for home quarantine overall. 202 people are under isolation. 28 people were put into isolation yesterday alone. So that's how you look at the data. All of the data is available here. Similarly, you can look at tests and COVID also. So thank you. Similarly, you can look at tests and COVID also. Here again, you will be able to see, look at the district COVID status and Kerala COVID status. So that's about it.